Eat this special recipe of mine if you want to improve your bone health. I learned this recipe during my recent trip to the United Kingdom from a Japanese restaurant. And then I decided to go look it up and I found that it's very amazing for bone strength and bone health. The name of the soup I want you to have is called bamboo soup. Yes, you heard me, bamboo soup. What is the ingredient that you need to get? You need to go to where there is plenty of bamboo plantation and get the shoots, the white shoots just coming out from the ground. Yes, the fresh one, yes. So you cut some. You just need like 3 to 5 small pieces, like the leaves of it. So get the shoots, rinse it very well, put it in water, um, add like maybe parsley or mint to it, add little seasoning to spice, add a little salt, and then add a little pepper. Because we're in Nigeria, we like to add pepper for everything. If not, the main recipe did not have pepper in it. So boil this under very low heat. So you chop your bamboo shoots into small, small pieces, very small cubes. Boil it 5 to 8 minutes and drink it. I tell you, it tastes fantastic and it helps your bone. Will you be trying this bamboo recipe? This is not a recipe I want you to miss out on. I learned it during my last trip to the United Kingdom. So I'll see you tomorrow as I talk more about how to care for your health. Drink the bamboo shoot to help your bone strength. No wonder bamboos are very tensor. That's what we use to do scaffold. There's something in them that gives them that stamina, and that can help your bone. Hey, get the bamboo. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.